I know you've been, I know you've been, I know you've been.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's James from Brillare here, and today we're at the Brillare Showroom, currently being renovated showroom bathroom. Today I've just been running some cables, but I'll take you through the process of what we've been doing in the last 2 weeks between electrical and plumbing, and you can take a look at what we're trying to do here at Brillare in terms of bathroom renovations and meeting a 3 to 4 week deadline. Alright guys, so along this wall we're going to have a large bathroom cabinet spanning from the wall to about that end with 2 separate basins for his and hers, along with 2 mirrors that are going to be lit up from the back. Up top I've just been wiring up some light cable for those mirrors that I was just talking about. So from there I've just been smashing out some holes in the wall, and I'm going to send it straight up, and we're going to bring it right into the main part of the office just to hook it up to some power. Here at Brillare, we just want to show you some of the luxuries that you can have in your home, and hopefully we can inspire you to bring them into your everyday life.